how to change URL in Shopify. So from your homepage here, all we have to do is click on settings in the bottom, and then from the left hand side here we will go to the domains section. Click on domains and you will be able to see that you can either buy a new domain, connect an existing domain, or change to a new myshopify.com domain. So if we want to change the URL, I'm going to click on this option. It will tell us that we can only change this Shopify domain once, and I'm going to type out my new domain name here, and it will show us whether it exists or not. So I'm going to do YT. It tells us that it is available, and we're going to add the domain here. And now, as you can see, we have changed this URL here to redirect to our new Shopify URL, which we just set. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.